Mr. Ketchum.
Hello.
The first violent thing that you saw that night was Harris, the defendant, punching Mr. Burley in the face.
Well, yeah, I would say that's the first thing that I saw where someone did something. Well, actually, the bouncer forcing us out when we weren't doing anything, that was the first violent thing, because he's putting his hands on us.
Well, so which one was it? Because you testified just now that Mr. Harris, which would make sense, was the initial aggressor and punched Mr. Burley in the face, and then now you're saying that he didn't, that it was you guys being pushed out the club.
Well, no, he did. I saw my friend push him.
You testified that you weren't sure, but that Harris, the defendant, may have been touching on some of the ladies. Can you testify to that or no?
Well, I don't know for sure. They do that a lot in strip clubs. They will say, oh, you can't touch it like that. Like, you have to be real careful with putting the money in a certain way. You know, we weren't doing anything. I don't know what his problem was. Well, I think he liked Doll Baby. He was jealous.
Well, and so that was my next question. Essentially, that you said just now that you guys were there enjoying the ladies, but wasn't Mr. Harris enjoying one lady in particular, being Doll Baby?
Well, she was with us, but there's ladies dancing all around.
But you seem to say that Mr. Harris has the hots for Doll Baby.
Yeah, he has the hots for her, but he has the hots for other women too. Yeah, it's eye candy. You're in a strip club, you have girls on that pole, and we have one here. It's like a candy shop.
So Harris seemed jealous of Mr. Burley possibly also having the hots for Doll Baby.
Objection, misquoting the witness. The witness never said that Mr. Harris was jealous.
Assuming facts not in evidence.
Okay.
How I would rephrase.
So would you say that Mr. Harris didn't like that Mr. Burley, the security guard, could also have the hots for Doll Baby?
We go there all the time. She was giving us attention.
Before you heard a gunshot, you didn't hear any warning that of a shot about to go off to Mr. Burley. No stop, no back up, no, hey, I'm gonna shoot you from your friend.
No, I just heard a gunshot. I mean, we were outside. I don't know, like, there's so much going on.
And so you didn't stop your friend from running to get the gun?
I was hiding. I was trying to get out of the way too. I mean, we're being pushed out of the club and this big bouncer guy is yelling at us. Everything happened so fast.
And you didn't hear Harris call out for help while he was running to his car or grabbing the gun?
No, he didn't call for help.
So earlier that night, you were the designated driver for Mr. Harris when you guys initially went to the club?
Yeah, I drove because, I said I drive.
And after you got kicked out of the club with Mr. Harris, and the fight occurred, you didn't hear any warning from Mr. Harris, and you were relatively...
Objection, call non-question.
I wasn't a question.
And I'll overrule at this point. Go ahead and finish the question.
I'll rephrase. You knew that your friend was running to the car to grab his gun from your testimony.
Yes, I know he was running because the bouncer had a big old bat and he was chasing after him. First, he punched him. I saw he slugged him in the stomach. I'm like, my buddy is running. I'm like, oh shit, he's going to get his gun. But
So you knew that he was going to shoot Mr. Burley?
well, I knew he was going to get the gun, but I know he was going to get it. He was running away, and I know he wouldn't have left me. He knew I was there, and I was scared. We stick together.
But you knew that Mr. Harris was at a far enough distance that he didn't need his gun, could have left.
No, I don't know.
No further questions.
All right, redirect.